Hello guys, and today I'm gonna show you how to create files on Mac using Terminal. So first you're gonna want to open Terminal and do cd weird line thingy and desktop. Make sure that D is capitalized. Then you type in touch and file name and extension. So I'm just gonna do test.txt. Look, just made a new file. And the cool thing about this is that you could do any file extension. For example, something DMG. Look, I just created something, and it's super cool because you can like use this to prank your friends, like create a virus.dmg and like prank them. Oh yeah, and if you want to create files with spaces inside the file name, then do this. .txt. Yeah, and the cool thing about this is that it's super easy to do, and it supports all the file extensions. So yeah, super cool.